meeting notes. I'm sure you already saw when you make Google Meet calls that you can add or like get Gemini to transcribe your discussion into a meeting note, and then have some summary. But the problem with that I typically saw is that, well, it gets emailed usually to the person who manages the meeting, and usually I don't get those meeting notes, and I'm kind of interested if I'm participating. And I also saw lots of bots that are kind of added as a listener as well, and they typically do the same thing, maybe with more advanced transcription. And at some point I wanted to get meeting notes for myself as well. So I used this app for Mac, which does just that. You can start a recording and it will create a audio playback and a transcript, and it can create a summary, and you can have multiple such notes. It was written by Dmitry here, so you can buy it. I didn't. It's still in trial, but I like the idea, and I always wanted to do something similar. Right, so I figured, well, I already have an agent. So this is the agent that I'm using. It's it's a typical harness similar to OpenClaw around some LLM, but it is very kind of personalized in a sense that it's using Obsidian Vault, and it's just a collection of documents basically. So I added, in addition to just creating some sessions and talking to agent, I added this ability to now record meetings. Previously, I had the ability to just create a session using audio. Well, for example, I just click on it and tell me what time it is. And that's how it works. It just listens and initiates the session. Okay, it decided to take a screenshot. Okay, it's it's interesting. Figured I was trying to do something else. It used the screenshot tool. Anyway, under meetings, what I can do now is just let me take some existing YouTube video to try to emulate a meeting. So we have guys talking here about agents, and I'll initiate a new meeting. Let's say I'll just copy paste the title here, and at the moment I cannot really distinguish individuals that are talking, so I just have two channels. So the microphone will be listening to me, and system audio from the browser tab will be the other source, them. So I just click new meeting, then I click the browser tab. Now it's sort of started, and I can.
That will never be changed.
Play the audio.
Never change. Yeah, and maybe
maybe it's already, as you can see, it's
just a higher level of abstraction.
It's already doing a live transcription.
It will be about understanding the pains of the user, and, clarifying requirements, right? Having iterations, first iteration, then iterate on
at the moment it
learn from the
takes
feedbacks. So in this
these
sense,
snapshots
this
every
product
10
engineering
seconds.
doesn't move away.
Yeah. And then if you type all the semicolons by yourself or not, it doesn't matter that much.
It's taking screenshots or snapshots every 10 seconds. I could do it, more real time and faster, but I figured it would just pollute me the UI here a lot. So
and you don't even notice that it's spelled wrongly.
Yeah, I'll try to reduce the audio so that you don't hear so much of the discussion. But yeah, it kind of continues as the meeting goes on, and you can see there is like me and them. Now, when I stop the recording, I get into this view where I can see like a list of past meetings. I can see the start and end time. I can play back the audio, and these are the links to those audio files. And the transcript itself is also like color coded. And I also can jump to a specific line and just play that part.
Tricky conversation about some things.
Yeah, so you can see I actually have two audio sources, and yeah, we have this synchronization of in which position the discussion is going on. So yeah, if I just scroll the audio, I have the same sync with the text. Now, if I go to that specific file, actually, yeah, that might not still work, but the location of those audio and Markdown files is actually configurable in settings. So it's, yeah, should be somewhere here, 0.3, and I think these are the ones. And you can see there is the some metadata on that specific file. And so other Markdown files are kind of ignored when you are in the meeting view. So this allows you to, again, going higher level, this of course allows you to have interoperability, that you just take these meeting notes, they have their own view here, but the agent also can crawl them, and it's not hidden away in some database. You can always delete those notes and audio files, and I just think it's a good way to iterate with your memory. So you can, just now with this specific file, you can ask to summarize it, and you can, I guess, become more efficient in that sense. So if you like it, give it a try. It's in GitHub. I guess I'll post it in the chat, but it's the Caesar agent. That's the front end, and the back end is in Brood. So you can, it's open source, it's free, you can install it, you can try it out, and the audio transcription is also running locally. I'm not sure how deep we should go into it. So compared to existing, let's say, these Summit AI Notes app that I showed before, it's not as good in the sense that you don't get different people detected. I also didn't test it with different languages, so there are lots of features that could grow out of it. But I figured usually you have meetings just one-on-one, and you have usually it's in English. So I think that's the best use case, and it just got this working pretty fast. So I'm very excited. and thanks. See ya.